friends, today we are going to unbox our new Eufy Robo Vac 11S vacuum cleaner, and this is the vacuum cleaner. First of all, we will sanitize our hands. Then we try to open it. This is the, I have bought it from Amazon. So this is the bill from Amazon. Yes. Heavy. In the box it is written free replacement kit, so I believe the free kit is inside the box. We'll have a look on that, what they have given. First of all, it's written ultra thin, super strong, intelligent, boost IQ. This is the box and has some, it has got some other features here. So let's first discover what is it inside. Okay, so we have got 2 batteries and this is, I think, yeah, we are getting one manual, owner's manual, one limited warranty card. This is, I think this is the warranty card. We'll get it inside the box. Okay, this is a quick start guide, how to start and all, and this is the information related, all the things that is inside the box. Okay, so we'll take a look this after that. Let me see what is inside. I think this is the charger. This is the remote. Nice remote. Open this one as well. This is the port where it is charging port. It will come and I'll open this and show. Yeah. So this is the charging port where it will come and it will get automatically, it will come and it will get itself charged. Apart from that, what we have is this one. I think it's a filter kind of thing is provided. This is the machine. Just the pack. So see how beautiful, and it looks very elegant, though it's kind of heavy but not so much. So before use you have to remove the sticker. So it's a kind of sealed one. You have to on and off from this button, that I can understand. And they have also provided these things. These things are for, yeah, it will be like fixed here. So this will actually clean the room. This is for removing the dirt which will be attached to these places. So this is nothing but the field brush which will accumulate the dust. Okay. And I think there is something inside this. I have to check it later. This is the so this is the on and off button. So this was the unboxing of Eufy Robo Vac 11S vacuum cleaner.